My dear animal jam. Sorry guys, I haven't posted in a long time. I've been busy. The last time I posted is don't mind all that. Oh my god. Oh, weeks ago. Yes. Everybody, yes. Yes. So, yeah. For you guys, I do have a popjam account. Oh, I'm literally using the lamest way to do an animal jam with the little key letter things when instead of my mouse. I actually have logged on to Animal Jam. I just haven't been able to get videos out, and I haven't really done too much more without you guys. I've done some trading and all. And yeah, I'm trying to make new looks because some of these looks are weird. And this is overall, I think it's gonna, not this one. This one overall is gonna be my main look. Because I love the autumn coyotes. They're so cute. And I have this birthday cake. Animal Jam's been going for a long time. I have this masterpiece that I really like. It's... What? He got more membership. Oh my god, you guys. In one of my previous videos, you could see he had no... What is this? What is this that I see? He's rarer than me. No, he has a red long and a headdress. That is so not fair. Well, I think I may be doing a giveaway of maybe a green long, because I think I may be snacking one sooner or later. I don't know. I really need some longs, you guys. I'm not trying to be beggy, but guys, I'm not trying to be beggy and ask for spikes and stuff, but I really need some for giveaways. And I'm probably like, cool pup, you already have 5 rare, you already have 4 long spike collars. Why can't you afford your egg? I also want to go live, but I can't. I think I might have to make a separate channel for live streams. So, yeah, sorry if some of my videos that, recorded with you haven't been posted. It's either I shut down my computer and they get deleted, or, I'm trying to make another video, but, yeah, I had to get that one out of the way because it's, super long. But usually it's the case where I shut down my computer and then I wake up the next morning to post it, and it's gone. And also join the Movable Squad. Rick Glory. What is this disgrace of my movables for life? Okay. But I just want to be, I sort of want to be rare, I want people to go into my township and freak out over seeing me. So today, I'm going to be doing something, then I will be doing a giveaway that you can all enter in the comments of this video. You just have to have a YouTube channel. And, yeah, yeah. So I'll tell you how to win that at the end of this video. And, yeah. Okay. So, I'm gonna be picking a random person in my town. And I'm just gonna go into a server and... So, Elijah... No, not Elijah. I want to go into my server and this. That's the closest person. What is this? Who is everybody talking about? This rare cookie? It's like everybody. He is. I'm gonna treat him like a rim. And then he's gonna accept, and I'm gonna be like, gasp. If that's what happens, then I'll probably give it away. And if he accepts it, then, yep, he declined. Yeah. I don't want to do him. He's too rare. This person. So, cats for life. Congrats. No, I'm sorry. I don't know. I just don't like giving to, like, super duper duper rare jammers. That just makes me feel bad, so sorry, Sapphire Voice. Oh, it's Pizza Boy. Hey, Pizza Boy. No, I can't gift him. Oh, God. I can't give him anything. Okay, we're gonna go look on this person. No, that's Cats for Life again. I can't do her again. We're gonna do this server. I guess now I'm a loner. Okay, well, next we'll choose. No. Hey, there's Shop Queen. Wait, what is it saying? Yeah, she's on right now. So how is it saying? Okay. Wait, yeah, that's fine. Oh my God, he has a white pink head. Was I think I'll get one of those soon. Yo-yo. You know what? I'm taking yo-yo. No, I want to do it. Hey. No, I need a member, but not a member. Come on. Be kind. I'm gonna buddy this girl. I guess she didn't want her. Her rare. You know what? Is PAX on? No, I need to find like a good server that I can give somebody a rare. Like, does nobody want my rares? I'm still a loner, I guess. I want to give somebody some rares. Okay, Catahui, because she's the only person in the server. Okay, so she's getting her rare tie-dye shirt. Congrats. You won something. Congrats, you won something. And I will send her a buddy request. Yeah, okay, she accepted. You can't decline my lovely moo wolf. Like, accept / whatever. Help me. I'm crazy. And yeah, also guys, I always have my Jags open. See, everyone is allowed when I can sometimes put on nobody. When I need to delete, I'm gonna go through my Jags. Delete. Okay. Come on, we're gonna delete some of these good ones. No, stop, no more. Oh God, I'm gonna like make my whole game lag to death. But congrats! You won a prize of getting my buddy request. Okay guys, I think I'm going to be actually ranting a bit here. On how I'm maybe getting a light pink headdress. Like, one of my friends told me they would give me one. And then after that, I will probably give away a long spike. They also said they were getting yellow long, pink long, and a green long. Which are some, and an orange lot. And I think I was going to already give away that green long to someone who, or you just going to give it to someone. Whatever. I've always had this rule for it. I just found him in Jama, and yeah. So, before I end this video, I'm going to tell you how you can win the giveaway. So, what I want you to do is I want you to go over to my channel, click on a video, like, and comment something nice. And also, one more thing. Subscribe to me and become rare, and also turn on post notifications so you can know when I post another awesome, amazingly awesome video. Woo! Without further ado, let's get into this week's giveaway. I will be announcing the winner on Friday, so you have till then to enter. And I don't know if I already, Okay, so today I will be giving away something real special. Celebrate AJ's 100 million players on Animal Jam. I didn't get away with this. Animal Jam. I will be giving away a spring party hat. And like I said, all you have to do to enter is like this video, subscribe, and comment something nice, which is optional, you know. And also, before I go, to join my awesome Discord server, I am CoolPuppy8265, and the hashtag code is 5505. So, hope you guys enjoyed this lovely Animal Jam video. And make sure to like and subscribe to join that beautiful giveaway if you want to earn all the rares. And if you go ahead and subscribe, you have a 2% more chance of getting that spike collar. Juicy spike collar. Actually, I'm just kidding. I'm using a spinner. But good luck to you. Imagine you would. But if you subscribe right now, you won't have to subscribe later, and you won't completely forget about my channel. But to not completely forget about my channel, you gotta turn on post notifications. I know every video probably tells you to do this, you just leave, but please subscribe to me so I don't cry in my bed for 50 million. Million, trillion, gazillion, million. Oh, I remember I was doing an adoption. Million years. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!